Hey Planner fam, how's everyone doing on this wonderful day? Welcome to my channel. I'm Marcella with Dream Plan Hustle Achieve, and today we're going to be looking at some planner tape stickers that I got. Here are some freebies that comes with it. Cute little flags and some clear banners and some titles, tasks, and rescheduled. Oh, I wonder if I already, well, I like a clear one so I can see the appointment still, but I need to check. It might already pass, so I don't get to use it. I don't know. Anywho, and I'm going to do something different. If you've been watching my budget videos, I'm going to keep up with some new things. So I got her debt tracker, the spending tracker. She has other stuff, but this is just what I got that I need. Bills and a weekly check-in. And then I also bought 2 of these because if you saw my other video, I have bought the July kit. Yes, I know the colors. And then again, if you've seen my budget videos, you've seen how many bills I have. And so when I was counting, so because the other one I got, you got these, and then I have some of these. Oh, and then I also have these. And when I was counting them, I didn't have enough of these blue ones with this little box here. And the custom option wasn't, she had to take it down for a minute to handle some family business. And so I just got 2 of these because they only come the 3 of the colors I need, and that'll suffice. So make that work. But anywho, so yeah, that's what we got. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, God bless. I hope you have a wonderful day.